Hey, and welcome to the club. Ready to make something fun for the holidays? This month's transfer is so cute, you'll want to start decorating for Christmas early this year. Your Club Couture shipment this month comes with everything you see here. The bee-sized Oh What Fun transfer and 3 paste singles in Sage, Candy Apple, and Meadow. The surface I've chosen is the Aiden 9x12 Couture Gallery board, and I've got my paste ready to go as well, bright white from the Kickstart kit, and then I have some small dishes to use for the paste singles, the 4-inch handled squeegee, some minis, a multi-tool and marker, my transfer trimmers, and a fuzzing cloth. I've also got a water bath nearby for quick cleanup. I'll start by trimming my transfer along the cut lines, and this is a fun one because it's so versatile. With all these small details, you can really customize it how you like. I'll mark the backers with permanent marker, and that just makes matching these up when I'm done so much easier. Now I'll peel the first element, Oh What Fun, and just get it pressed onto the fuzzing cloth, which picks up some lint, and that helps it not be overly sticky. And then I'll get it positioned right in the center of the board. I'll make sure there are no wrinkles or bumps, and then smooth it out. I'm using one of my mini squeegees to load up some bright white paste here. And then using my 4-inch squeegee, I'll just drag that down. And that makes it so quick. I'll prep my first paste single, Meadow Green, by kneading the package just a bit. Then snip the corner off and squeeze some out into my dish. I'm just using this Meadow color for small details, so I really don't need a ton. I love this little holly leaf. And all of these smaller elements are easy to use a couple of times before washing as long as I move quickly enough. So I'm using it right at the top and the bottom and the middle, kind of at the end of the flourishes. Next, I'll use the little pine sprig. And I'll get this berry twig positioned as well. And then prep my next color, which is sage green, the same way as before. And with this one, I'm moving around the design with the pine sprig, just dropping it here and there, trying to maintain some balance and add color. Then a few of the berry twigs, and that will do it for sage. I'll prep the candy apple paste too, mixing and cutting like before. And this is where the project really starts to pop. I'll start with the bird. He's like a cute little partridge. And I'll fuzz him, then perch him right on top of the H. I'm also going to get the first set of berries laid down, ready to go. I'm using my multi-tool this time so I can be a bit careful and chalk this cute bird, then the berries. And I'm repeating the berries all around the board too, just again adding some pops of color and trying to stay balanced. And there it is. Oh, what fun this transfer really is. I know you're going to love customizing this one to suit your home and decor and start your decorating season off just right with Club Couture.